Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about b equals to this one and q equals to this one. So we have dx. That means we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to y. So this one we just have only y squared in here. So that is about 2y. This one you got 0 because we don't have y in here. The next one we have dy. That means we need to do first the derivative of q with respect to s. So this one we have only one s. So we have number 1 and we put y cone here. So we see that this one and this one, they are not about exact. So we need to transform into exact. So if we look carefully about this one, we have sy, y, 2y. So about integrating factor, we need to choose about mu s, because if we do first the derivative of mu s, we have sy in here. So we need to choose about mu s. That means we multiply both sides by mu s. So we want this one and this one should be the same. So if we do first the derivative of db over dy, they should have like this. And the second one, that should be like this. Now we simplify y for the both sides. This one I will put on the left. So number 2 minus 1, we have positive number 1. Later that we divide both sides by mu s. Next we divide both sides by s. Next I will put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. The integration of this one, we have ln of the ln of the absolute value of mu s. So in this situation, the integrating factor, that is about mu s equals to s. That means we multiply both sides by s. So now we have b equals to this one and q equals to this one. And now this one we do db over dy. So we have 2ys, and the second one, that is about 2xy. So they are exact right now. Next, we need to set up about the function fxy. So I will choose about this one. So the integration of s square, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. And the second one, that is about s to the power of 4 over 4. And the next one, that is about s squared over 2y squared. And now we need to do first the derivative of f with respect to y. So this one we don't have y and y's. So now we just have only 2y in here. And number 2 and number 2 we cancel. And we know that this one equals to this one. So we simplify for the both sides, and we have number 0 in here. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. And this one equals to c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we have 3xy. 3xy equal to c. And we know that this one equals to this one. fxy equal to c. And we can simplify like this. That is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.